problem with all these plows here is that they use this thing, it's called the quick disconnect ball joint. You squeeze it, you pull it down, and that attaches it onto the plow. This one here was from the 812, and I forgot about it. I just found it in my garage, but it fell off the lift arm. I was driving it all summer with no attachment, and this thing just fell off in the lawn somewhere. And I found it one day, luckily. And the other one that I was using for the 8163B was pretty bad, so I bought this from McMaster Car, and it was like $9.03 for the ball joint part. And the rest of it here is a 7-inch bolt. It's a 1/2-inch 20 thread, a fine thread, and a jam nut on there. So I got a pack of jam nuts, and that's pretty much how you make it. So this thing cost me about $20 to make it. To buy this OEM from Gravely is $93 for just this part, not even the bolt. So I'll put the part numbers in this video somewhere so you can see it, but I'm gonna hook up the 812, and it was missing this nut right here. So I had bought this pack of nuts here on eBay. It was like $4 or something. Can't really get 1/2-inch fine thread jam nuts anywhere locally around me. So I got it on there. But it just needs one of these on the bolt before this to help secure it better. This is kind of funny, but the bolts I got on eBay, I thought it said Fastenal when I opened up the pack, but it's fastenery. I don't know, but they're out of New York, and I'm really happy with it, so I would highly recommend them as well. So let's go put that plow on that 812. The bolt that I was talking about, so it hangs down here, and this all just fell off it. So let me see if I can get this jam nut threaded on there, and then we'll thread that end on there, and we should be good. I got it on there. I can't remember if it's got to open this way or open that way, so I won't tighten it up for the final tightening until I get it by the plow. So let's do that. Heard it for a while, and it's really cold out. Let's see if it has any battery. Oh. Ooh, that was close. Choke stuck on, I think. Let's check this thing out. Yeah, so the opening on that ball faces the back of the tractor. It will attach onto here. Oh, this is loose too. I guess I got to tighten that thing up too. So anyways, you get the idea. We'll drag this out of here and slide it under the tractor and hook her up. out these pins. You got to pull out these pins down here that hold these clips up. I like to flip them back like that. Just put it up there for now. And then this bag keeps your butt dry when you got a wet seat here. Let's see. Pull out this pin over here. All right, we'll flip that up. All right, and then you basically just got to get these tabs in there, and then you got to hook up that lift rod to that ball there. It's not a big deal, so I'll do this off camera. The pin in there, the little gate is shut, if you will. So let's come over to the other side here, and we'll do the same thing over here. Oh, I missed, so I'm gonna have to retweak it. I thought it was in the bracket, but it's under it, so let me fix that. Bracket's hooked up, and now I got my thingamajigger here to hook up. So you basically just pull up on this ball joint here and open it up and then slide it over. Now, if you're not happy with the way the plow is performing, then you need to shorten or lengthen this rod. All right, I got that jam nut snugged up now. Now all we got to do is get the angling handle here and mount that. So let's get that out of the tent garage. Out of the tent garage here. Let's see, where did I put that thing? You ever put something somewhere so that it'll be easy to find when you need it? Well, that's what I did with this, and of course I can't find it. Oh, here it is, right here. Top of this mower deck. So maybe someday we'll get to some of these projects in here, but anyways, we got what we needed. Let's pull this pin out. Let's see, pull that out. Pull this little pin here out. And then this goes up here, and that rod goes in one of these holes here. I think the one in the middle, preferably. Of course, I'm missing the pin for that rod, so I'll just grab one out of the garage. And that's pretty much it. Well, let's see if we can fire the tractor up, and let's see if the thing will actually raise.